Hi, this is Evan from Digital Team Coach. In the last few months, many of us have had to pivot really quickly from working in an office, working face-to-face with people, to working from home in isolation and communicating online. Now, on one side, we've been, more flexible, which has been really good, and we've learned how to communicate using other tools if we haven't had to do that before. But the downside with that flexibility comes using lots of different communication tools, and it's sort of bleeding and blurring into day and night communication. So it doesn't mean, flexibility doesn't mean that we're communicating more effectively and more efficiently. And I think that's a real problem, and we want our internal communications to be effective and efficient. So I'm going to be running a workshop soon called Internal Comms Done Right, and we are going to be looking at resourcing how we can communicate effectively with our teams, our staff, our volunteers. And so we're going to be looking at three aspects in this workshop. Firstly, identifying and implementing reliable tools for that internal communication. Secondly, we want to reduce the number of inputs and outputs that we have for our communication, so we're not getting bombarded in lots of different areas, but sort of having it ideally in just one or two places where we do the bulk of our communication. And thirdly, we want to reduce the number of emails and meetings that we have to be more effective, to not be sort of bogged down using these older methods. And one way we can do that is by utilizing a project or a task management tool. So if you are needing to improve your processes, particularly your communication, then I encourage you to come along to this workshop. You can just register below, and I look forward to seeing you there.